Ish. Ish is possibly the most versatile word for expressions in Bengali. That's because ish is an amplifier and takes its meaning from the rest of the sentence. Ish, ki brishti. Here it expresses happiness and approval of the rains. Ish, ki brishti. Of course, here it expresses disappointment or disapproval of the rains. Eeshh, ki road. Expressing happiness about the bright sun rays and the heat. Ish, ki road. Here it expresses discontent about the harsh sun rays and the heat. Note that ish can indicate exactly opposite meanings in two sentences because this is a word without a meaning of its own. So we can say ish ki darun dekhte. Here it expresses admiration and approval. But we can also say ish ki bichhiri dekhte. Of course, expressing disapproval. Also, it's very important to pay attention to the tone. Ish, লাগলো বুঝি? Ish, লাগলো বুঝি? Both sentences literally translate to are you hurt? But the first one expresses sympathy and the second one sarcasm, purely depending on the tone or the way you say it. Now, ish can be placed both at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. So, both these versions are correct. Ish, বাচ্চাটা কি কিউট and বাচ্চাটা কি কিউট. Ish. So, the word ish is a very versatile one. It can express a variety of ideas, though it doesn't have a meaning of its own. And those ideas might be exactly opposite ideas and can be said with the exact same words. Hence, the tone is very important to express what the sentence actually wants to convey. And the placement of ish can be either before the sentence or after it. So, did you understand how to use this versatile word? Ish, বুঝিনি আবার